got a ton of snow up here. It'll be very interesting. I'm just looking at all the entrances that are up along here and haven't been plowed yet. And there's got to be well and truly 8 to 10 inches of snow on those trails. So it'll be interesting what it's like when we get at the cabin. Look at how thick that is. Let's see if we can make it up. All right, this is gonna be fun. It's on already. Okay.
There was a little branch in the way. Brad also told me it was recording and it wasn't. But he just picked that up and threw it in the bush, so we're gonna give it another go.
Yeah, you hit something.